Learn every day for a better life. Today, we're going to talk about 5 simple home remedies for headaches. Headaches are a common problem that many people experience at some point in their lives. Whether it's a tension headache, a migraine, or a sinus headache, the pain can be debilitating and disrupt your daily activities. In this video, we'll share some effective home remedies to help alleviate headache pain and improve your quality of life. Remedy 1. Ginger tea. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body, including the blood vessels in the head that can cause headaches. To make ginger tea, peel and slice a piece of ginger root and add it to boiling water. Let it steep for a few minutes and then strain it into a cup. You can add honey or lemon juice to taste. Drink the ginger tea slowly to help ease your headache symptoms. Remedy 2. Lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil has a calming effect on the body and can help relieve tension headaches. You can inhale the aroma of lavender essential oil by placing a few drops on a tissue and breathing in deeply. You can also add a few drops of lavender oil to a carrier oil, such as coconut oil, and massage it onto your temples and forehead. This can help ease headache pain and promote relaxation. Remedy 3. Peppermint oil. Peppermint oil has a cooling effect that can help soothe headaches. You can apply peppermint oil directly to your temples and forehead or add a few drops to a carrier oil, such as coconut oil, and massage it onto your temples and forehead. You can also inhale the aroma of peppermint oil by placing a few drops on a tissue and breathing in deeply. Remedy 4. Magnesium. Magnesium is a mineral that can help relax the muscles and reduce tension headaches. You can increase your magnesium intake by eating foods such as almonds, spinach, and avocado. You can also take magnesium supplements, but it's important to talk to your doctor before starting any new supplement regimen. Remedy 5. Hydration. Dehydration can often cause headaches, so it's important to stay hydrated throughout the day. Make sure to drink plenty of water, and you can also eat foods with high water content, such as cucumbers and watermelon. Avoid drinking alcohol and caffeine, as they can dehydrate your body and worsen your headache symptoms. Those were 5 simple home remedies for headaches that you can try to relieve headache pain. Remember that it's important to talk to your doctor if you experience frequent or severe headaches, as they could be a sign of an underlying health condition. We hope these remedies help you find relief and improve your overall well-being. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Subscribe to make your life better.